it started to wreck my machine. I couldn't even shave the balls off of these things. So that sounds so inappropriate, but I mean literally like the cotton balls, or I guess the polyester balls, I can't even get it off. There, my handsome and pretty little cobras. Welcome back to the Cobras Nest. For those of you who are new, my name is Mignon Cobra and I make minimalism videos. So today's minimalism video is going to be another mini declutter. You guys seem to love these. I have another one because I've been doing some major closet cleanings. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get into the video. Let's get it, let's go. So the pile is very small, hence the name, just a mini declutter. These are like really old pieces. Some of these are 3 years old and they are super wasted, and I figured I would show you guys just, and I don't know, I like filming them. It's a minimalism channel, what do you want? Yeah, so let's talk socks. So these are the George socks that I was talking about that just like, oh my gosh. So I think these were like $3 for like a pack of like what, maybe like 3, 4, and I bought 2 packs of them. They're like super wasted. Some of them had holes in them already, like my toe went through the front. They're made of like 100% polyester, like it's just plastic socks. And while I am super grateful for them, they are the colorway that I like. I've been wearing them for about 2 years and they're like super pilled. It doesn't, like the plastic, because it's plastic and not quite cotton, the like cotton shaver thingy would like, it started to wreck my machine. I couldn't even shave the balls off of these things. So that sounds so inappropriate, but I mean literally like the cotton balls, or I guess the polyester balls, I can't even get it off. And it started like ruining my shoes and they're really uncomfortable and the little balls are really uncomfortable. So I was like, I have gotten my full use out of them. These are my running socks. I use them for running, and I've recently bought some better quality socks. You guys saw on my Black Friday sale last year, I picked up a bunch of socks from TNA and I'm super happy with them. The quality is just so nice. And yes, they were more expensive. These were like, I think $3 or something, and the original socks are $18. It is a big price difference, but I think like I'm in a good place right now, and I was like, I would like to have some good quality socks, so I will be letting these go. These are just plastic. There's no resell or donation value in these whatsoever. I had some subscribers say that if it's like not in good quality, just turn it into rags and cut it up. So these are just plastic. I think I'm just gonna throw them in the garbage. That just breaks my heart, 'cause I think that's going to landfills, but like honestly, I don't think anybody wants my super ratty 3-year-old socks. So this is from Solmia. This is one of my PR packages. It's really pretty. I love it a lot. This was kind of like a crop top with like long sleeves. It's made of 100% polyester. It's not the greatest of quality, but I have definitely worn the heck out of it. I got this PR package, I think in 2021. So it has been about 2 years and I've been wearing it like crazy, and I've washed it a lot, and the pilling on this is really bad. And as I've mentioned, when it's polyester, my cotton machine, the like deep pillar thing, can't cut the balls. My machine gets stuck, like it jams the blade. So because of that, I'm not going to ruin my pillar just for the sake of one shirt. So I will be letting it go. I have definitely got my cost per wear out of this. Well, I mean, technically I got it for free. It was a PR package, but nonetheless, I cherished the piece. It was definitely one of my favorites. You guys have definitely seen this in my Instagram pictures. It looks really nice. It's really flattering, but it's extremely wasted. Like the pilling is pretty bad on this, and I've gotten a lot of wear out of it for the past 2 years, so I will be letting it go. I know that like buying fast fashion and not buying fast fashion is definitely an ethic issue. You know, can you afford to, can you not afford to? I won't get into that, but for me personally, if I can afford to not buy fast fashion or support fast fashion, I will do the best that I can. So this is not something that I will recop. I'm glad that I got sent it, but we are letting it go. Thank you so much. I had a lot of fun wearing this. We're moving on. Okay, the last piece that is on this mini declutter is this pair of sweats. These are super pilled. I don't know if you guys can see that. This is, if I remember correctly, this is also just like a polyester cotton blend. If I remember correctly, I honestly don't even think it's cotton. It is super pilled. Let me see if I can show you the backing. Really wasted. I definitely got my money's worth out of this. I have worn the hell out of it. It looks so worn out, guys. This is one of the first pieces that I got when I first came back to Canada. I had just finished paying off my student loans. Will actually got this for me, I think for either my birthday or like a little gift. It was about like 20 bucks. Yeah, it's from Urban Outfitters. The quality, I mean, it is what it is. It was a pair of pants. Wasn't the best of qualities. Like, I don't want to be ungrateful because I was gifted this. You guys know that I'm a lot more lenient when I talk about pieces that were gifts. Yeah, this is not something I would buy myself now, or even Will would buy me at this stage, because like financially we're just like in a different place. So I wouldn't re-buy this. I wouldn't recommend this. It was what it was for its time. Like there was just like no money to go around. But yeah, it was definitely a fast fashion piece. I'm really grateful that he bought it for me. I gave it a lot of love. I wore it out like crazy. It was a bit hard for me to let go of, and I was like, I'll just use this as like a bum piece if I go to paint somebody else's house. But like, it's been 3 years since he bought me these, and I think we went and painted once at his cousin's house. It's just like taking up space in my closet, doing nothing, absolutely nothing. Like I don't wear it as regular clothes or as pajamas. Like it's so uncomfortable to wear because of the thick like pilling that I can't shave with the shaver. So I was just like, I'm like in a good place. I have other pieces that will probably wear out and it can be my bum clothes for painting by the time somebody else needs to paint a house. So I was like, I'm going to let this go. I'm going to cut this up for rags. I'm not going to put this in donation because it is in really bad quality. That's actually one of the things I've noticed about being a minimalist. Like unlike other people who might have like high turnover, since I don't have a high turnover, I wear my pieces to death. Like they have extremely high cost per wear ratios that my clothes are in no condition to be donated to anybody. They're not lightly used. They're not lightly used. I wear the hell out of my clothes, so I don't think I'm going to be putting that in donation box. Okay, the next item that I have is these slides, house slippers, I guess if you would call it. They are from Walmart. When I first came back to Canada back in 2020, I went to Walmart with my dad and he bought these for me and they are super worn out. I don't know if you can see. The heel is completely wasted. I've been wearing these like crazy for the past 3 years and they hurt my feet. They don't have any heel support, so my foot goes down awkwardly. So the weight distribution is really messed up. And the only reason I realized how uncomfortable these were was because not recently, it's actually been a year. So last year when I picked up the Croc slides that have like arc support and the shape, there's like a thick arc here. It's so comfortable wearing Croc slides for the house as opposed to wearing these. Like the material is also really different. Like these are actually really hard plastic versus the Crocs because of the Croc-like technology. It's like very squishy, like literally Croc comfort. There's like a squish to them that is so comfortable. Like yes, they're both made of plastic, but like there really is a difference in quality in them. But I've recently ordered a new pair of Croc slides in the black and whites, which will become my new house slippers. I like to do this thing where I have two types of slippers. I have the ones for when I come out of the shower, and then I have the other ones like I bum around in the house. So these used to be the bum around the house, and the Crocs were the out of the shower slippers. Now I'm going to be upgrading it. I'm going to have two very comfortable Croc slides. So I'm like really happy. I got the Croc slides on sale. Normally they retail for $34 and I got them for $19 during the Boxing Day sale. So I will be letting these go. They're just, I guess, going in the trash. I always feel so bad putting these things in the trash, but like, it is what it is. As you can see, my declutters are a lot more healthier than they had been in the past. I used to do these unrealistic fake declutters for you guys. I don't do that anymore. I'd rather just bring to the table things that I actually want to declutter. So yeah, thank you for watching and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.